What's up, queefs? Welcome back for day number 7 of doing every day. And I'm exhausted. I just got back in from Berlin and it's 10:45. I had terrible sleep last night because I went drinking with a German friend who likes to drink a lot, and I don't like to drink a lot, so I got really drunk, and I get drunk really easily, and I don't do well with that. But anyway, today, special surprise. If you listen closely, there's some music. I'm getting pretty good at this. But on the agenda for today is I'm really into cryptocurrencies. I'm really into the stock market. I'm really into trading and investing. And I watch a lot of influencers that are supposedly really good traders. And they teach you different formations and try to give you a little direction of where the market is going, whether it's up and down. And if I didn't already say it, it's called technical analysis. So right now, cryptocurrency is sort of in an important phase. And my favorite cryptocurrency is XRP. So today, I'm gonna be one of those pretend influencers, feel like I'm actually really important, and gonna do a technical analysis as if I have a million fans, because I have some experience doing this. So let me not be a financial advisor, but show you what I think what's happening in the XRP technical analysis chart. So if we look at this chart, this is the 4-hour chart. We see a correction after a pretty decent, let me hide this volume. We don't want that After a pretty decent impulse wave up. Now, whatever goes up must come down at some point. And this is what's happening right now. As you can see, a lot of red. And it's actually super healthy, and it's what allows crypto and any kind of asset to continue to go on sustainable bullish or bearish runs. And fortunately, this is looking more like a bullish run. So we had this massive run up, but what I'm looking at right now is a corrective pattern known as a regular flat. And here, I'll draw what I'm seeing first. I'm seeing let's go. The big picture I'm seeing is, let me situate this. Should I go full screen? Let me full screen this ish. So what I'm seeing on the big picture is, here's the top. Down here is A, and then we had A, B, C, B, the B wave, and then A, B, C, D, E to finish off the C. And now what this is a flat. It's a corrective pattern indicative of continued movement in the current trend, which the current trend currently is up. And so if this plays out correctly, it's really indicative that we have a lot of room to continue up. So let me show you exactly what it looks like from someone that you can really trust more than me, another anonymous person. Where are we? Where's the flats? This isn't the flats. Flat. Regular flat. So as we can see right here, a regular flat, it's an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. And typically the A and the C wave are in the same range, as well as the the beginning of the A wave, so like 0 on the chart, and the B wave are also in the same range. And now sometimes this C wave maybe doesn't come down quite as far as the A wave, and that's just indicative of, you know, some bullish sentiment. So if you're familiar with Elliott wave, every wave has wave structures within the wave. And so what this is a 3-wave structure down to form A, a 3-wave structure up to form B. But in every corrective formation, the final wave is always a 5-wave structure. And if it's not a 5-wave structure, then it's got more room going down. So seeing this, let's take a closer look at the chart. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to get this. Actually, I'll do this again. So let's go for the A wave, which was this right here. And this needs to be a 3-wave structure to hold true. So this is the start of the wave. A down. B, as you can see, it retraces upwards. And then another push downwards is the C. Now, we need to move on to the B wave. And the B wave, this is where it starts. And we go up for an A. There's A, B, C. So an A, and then 3-wave down, because again, this is another breakdown of another smaller wave. So A wave, down for a B wave, and then up for a C wave, which this is actually wave B of the entire formation. So the final wave, it has to be, if you remember, a 5-wave structure right here. So we just did a 3-wave structure down, A, 3-wave structure up, B, and now we need a 5-wave structure down. This is where it's pretty exciting. So I'm going to get this one out. This is where it begins, and we go down. Uno, 1, 2, up. So you see the retracement. 3 down, 4 up, and look how beautiful that is. It's unbelievably clear right here. Now sometimes when it's so clear, it's actually indicative that it's not going to play out. But honestly, like, this is a pretty good setup right here, because look, again, we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Unbelievable. It is unbelievable. Let's make this a little bit smaller. So this is more like, yeah, well, actually. A minuet. Make it good. Make it fit the formation better. Well, how did I do that initially? Okay. And we'll make this one a minuet as well, to make it more clear to look at. So, this should be the same also. I'm feeling lazy right now, guys. I'm really tired. Okay, so these are the waves within waves, right? Let me full chart it. And then we'll do the big picture wave again. And with just a bigger, so A, right? This is where it starts. This is the A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 waves down for A. And then for the B wave, 1, 2, 3 waves up, B. And then now remember, the last wave of the formation has to be a 5-wave structure, and that's 1, 2. Oh, what am I doing? I totally just blew that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th wave down. It's so freaking beautiful, guys. And let me make this more clear. I make it more clearer for the viewers. I've only had one person. I have a total of 3 views on my 6 videos. 2 of them were mine, and I had 1 view from someone that I don't know, and I'm pretty excited about it. That's what last night was for, going out with my German friend. It was just a celebration, like I finally made it. I'm finally successful. So that's what that was all about. Okay, so guys, we have a beautiful regular flat. Remember, the start of wave A and wave B need to be at the same range, which, boom, they are so freaking close. And wave A and wave C need to be at, what's that sound? And wave A and wave C need to be at the same or close to the same. And look at that. This just tells me, yes, this could go further down so that C is better in line with A. But honestly, it's not really a truncated fifth because it went lower than the third wave. But this just shows me there's a lot of buying pressure. Just look at that wick. That wick. It wicked down. Excuse me. Wicked down to 36.8. Straight up 38.2. So let's see how this finishes off. But what's exciting, typically these regular flats form at the 4th wave of an impulse. Or it doesn't always have to be 4th wave. It could be the start of another wave. So if we consider this a wave of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is the end of the first wave of Elliott wave. And as we know, if it's an impulse, then we'll start it lower. Then, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll take a Fibonacci extension from the top. 2. Oh, they're a lot closer than I was thinking, actually. I just plotted it poorly. 3. And so this is a Fibonacci extension saying that, so this is wave 1, right? If it is an impulse wave and we are truly in a bull market, then we have 2 more waves after this, a 3rd wave and a 4th wave of bullish momentum, of upward trajectory. And this is just a start. And typically, in order for it to hold true, the next wave, which is the 3rd wave, is the most rigorous of them all, of the 5-wave structure. And so if this formation is true, then we have the 1st wave completed, the 2nd corrective wave, the 2nd wave, which is a corrective wave, completed, and then the next wave would be a 3rd wave, which hitting this 1.618 level is not out of the question. I am just going to call it. Let me get this range. So, dude, I think it's possible at this 2.618 range, but I'll be a little conservative and say, yeah, this is the range that I'm expecting to hit on this 3rd wave. And dude, I think we can definitely get even better than that. So that is my technical analysis video for XRP. And let me bring back my face. I like ending looking at you guys straight in the eyes. No, I don't want to do that. Let's go here. Well, that's being weird. I can't look you straight in the eyes. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it. Well, this is video 7 of doing every day. I've officially done an entire week. I'm stoked about it. Thank you for holding me accountable, especially that one person that watched my video. I love it. I'm going to try to get one more. But if you liked the video, you don't have to do anything at all, because I'm not really doing it so that you like it. I'm doing it so I learn as much as possible. And this was a lot of fun. I watch so many people do these videos. I've always kind of wanted to do it myself. So with that said, this is completion of day 7, and week 2 starts tomorrow, and I'll be back tomorrow. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. All right, this is the first time I ever made one of these videos, so don't trust a damn thing I said. But thank you for watching, and thanks for holding me accountable.